Hi, it's Sandra, and today I want to show you some gel polish from Born Pretty. And there are 6 polishes in here. I think they are the jellies again, and they are their fall collection. And we are going to open this up and see what they look like. I do like the jelly polishes. I think they're unique, and they look cool with something stamped on them too. So let's see if I can get this open. Now, if you've never ordered from Born Pretty, they don't have the color on there. They always have numbers. So, I don't know why they do that, but whatever. That's what they do. So, I'll give you the numbers as we go through them. And their polishes are nice. They are easy to apply. No problems with the polish. And that's why I keep reviewing them, because I think they're nice polishes. Now this one, so to me, right off the bat, I would say that with a couple exceptions, they all kind of look the same color. I don't know why they do that, but they kind of look like the same color. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's take these one at a time and see how they look. All right, so let's start with 1. Start at the beginning, right? Ooh, this one's nice. This one's got some glitter in it. You know, I love glitter. So it's, I guess it would be a brown. Yeah, I think it's brown, and it's got gold flecks in it. Very pretty. Stunning. Okay, there's number 1. Number 2. This is more of a neutral, or it'd be nice for a French nail. It's very light, kind of pinky, real light pink. It's 2. Here's 3. This is also kind of a neutral, a little bit darker than number 2. And I'm going to put this in under the light. Okay. Do 4. And then once I get these all on, we're going to kind of compare the colors. So it's definitely it's definitely a brown collection, I would say, which is nice for fall. So that's a 4. Here's number 5. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a burgundy. Very pretty. And number 6. This looks black from the top, but we'll see what it looks like on. Yeah, it is a black. I'd say it is black. Yep, definitely black. And you can see they're jelly because they're not opaque. They're just, you know, kind of see-through. Okay, so I just put that one under the light, so we'll do that again. Put the second one under the light. All right, so where's 1? 1. I think that's really pretty. That one is really pretty. 2. This one is great if you want to do French nail or just something really light as a base coat. I do like this because I don't think we have enough of those kinds of colors. So that's a real nice one, real nice base. Okay, let's do 3. It's like a caramel color, I'd say. Okay. That was the second coat. And now let's do 4. 4 through 6 are definitely darker colors. And then 5. I think these are really rich colors. So even though they're jellies, they really do cover the nail well. So I think they cover them just enough for a jelly. Okay. Let's put those under. All right, so don't forget, I did do a video on Born Pretty's top coat and base coat, a new one, and it's like the top coat is like a super shiny top coat, so we're going to use that on this, and I think it's really pretty. It's really a shiny, shiny top coat, so we're going to use that on this. And if you go back, you'll see my video on this with a link to the product. Okay. Do this one. I'm going to hold these up to the camera so you can see the difference in these. Because as I'm looking through the lens, it kind of looks like they all are the same, but they aren't. There's a big difference between all three of these. So let me get this under the light and I'll show them again. But you can see how this one has the red hues to it, the burgundy. So let's see what this looks like. This one is done. There you go. And those are very pretty. I really like this one. Great for fall designs. That's the great thing about these jelly polishes too. If you do something on top of these, it's going to show up because it's, you know, it's just so light. So I think those are pretty. And that top coat is spectacular. Love that gel top coat. And don't forget, these are all gels, gel polish. They're not regular polish, they're gel polish. So there's 1 through 3. And here is 4 through 6. Now look at that. This one looks like a candied apple. I think that's very pretty. So let's put these together. It's hard to see this one. It looks like they're all the same, like I said. But those are very pretty. They are from Born Pretty. I will put the link at the bottom in the comment section so you can go right to it. Usually they are on Amazon if you are interested. And don't forget to check out their new top coat, which is extremely shiny. And it says, what does it say? It says super top coat. So that's what you want to get. And this is super top coat right here. This is in a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce jar or whatever you would call this. And these are only 7 milliliter, 0.24 fluid ounces. So look at the difference between these. I mean, the top coat bottle is huge. So that will last for a while. So, and the same thing with the base coat. This is a great base coat too. Base gel, same fluid ounces as the top coat. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.